Hey guys, what's up? It's Naveen here. Hope you guys doing fine. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Power Director to customize your videos and audios. So before getting started, don't forget to subscribe my channel to follow my updates and leave a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So Power Director comes with a combination of Cyberlink Wave Editor and Power Director. That is, the Power Director is used to customize the videos and Cyberlink Wave Editor is used to customize the audios. This is the best software for the beginners to customize the videos and audios. So in the Power Director part, you can see the list of icons in the left corner right. The first one is Media Room. Media Room is what all your imported contents are saved here. You can import your file by clicking on this folder. The second one is the Effect Room. Here you can add some effects for your videos. You can see more effect option in this part. And the third one is what Objects Room. These are the default templates for Objects Room, or you can download it from the internet. The third one is Particle Room. This is just like an animation file. These are the default templates, or you can download it from the internet. And this is a Title Room. This is where you can edit your titles for your videos. This is a default editing titles, or you can download it from the internet too. So this is the transition part. You can add transition effects for your videos. There are more option of effects here. You can see a lot more options in this part. And this is the audio mixing room. Here you can manage your voice and music controls here. And the last one is voice recording room. Here you can record your voice for your videos, or you can record some music for your videos. And this is the preview part. Here you can preview your videos and audios here. And this is the timeline part. In the timeline part, you can edit all your videos, audios and title effects, all the stuffs right here. You can edit it. So what I'm going to do is, right now I'm going to import a video file. Once you're done with the importing, you can just select the file and drag it to the timeline part. So after dragging to the timeline, you can preview it in the preview part just like this. So the video in the preview part will be a little laggy, but the video output will be much better once it is produced. So I'm gonna give some effects to this video. Go into Effect Room, select the beating and drag it to the effect track. So I'm gonna preview it just like this. Once you are done with the customization, go to Produce, select the video format which you want to produce, and then click on this tab to give an output folder for your produced video. Once all the option is done, click on the Start button. Your video will be produced within few minutes. That's it guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be uploading a series of tutorials about Power Director. Until then, this is Naveen. I am signing off. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.